I just picked up this replacement power supply for my MacBook Pro. It's rated at 140 watts, and I'm going to go ahead and test it to see if it will really hit 140 watts. So here's the adapter itself, and it came with a USB-C to USB-C cable, which is nice, but it also came with the USB-C to MagSafe 3 cable, which is what I'm going to be using with it. This is my original power supply here. It is a USB-C to MagSafe. Let's unplug that, set it aside. That's the one that came with the computer. Now, I have this meter that I'm going to use to test the voltage. I've let my charge get down to less than 10% on my computer so I can test and see whether it really pull 140 watts. It's a nice cloth cable I can see here. It's similar to the OEM cable, so that's nice. It's not a plastic cable that will fray. All right. Put that in there. Make sure that's on. Double check my charge. Yeah, I'm currently at 8% and I've got a low battery warning. It says it's going to go to sleep unless it's plugged into a power outlet. So here we go. It's turning on. Let me grab my glasses for this scientific. Okay, it's currently pulling 95 watts, 93 watts, 92 watts, 95. Let's see what it gets up to. $94, $95. Right now it's pulling about 96 watts of power. We'll give it a little bit of time to ramp itself up and see. And I can see that it's charging here. 96 still. Let me just double check and make sure that I did order 140 watts. Yeah, I definitely ordered a 140 watt charger. It is currently sticking to that 95, 96. Plug in my own. I am using the new power supplies cable. I'm at 140. So it's not the cable. Let's try using the USB-C cable. It's still sticking at 96. Let's try the cable on the OEM power supply. What's going on here? That's unusual. It's resetting my meter every time it hits around 112. Let's try a different cable. Okay, so the MagSafe 3 cable that comes with it does support 140 watts of charging, but the USB-C cable that came with it is resetting itself when it hits 112. Yeah. So the USB-C cable that comes with this does not support 140 watts of charging, which is unfortunate. The MagSafe 3 cable that comes with this absolutely does support 140 watts of power. The power supply does not provide 140 watts of power. only seems to provide about 96. And the USB-C cable that comes with this does not support 140 watts of power either. So this one's going to need to go back.